Oh dear Lord, you are one. You are love for everyone. You are Ram and you are Rahim. You are light in every dream, in every place, in every name. All our prayers are just the same. Teach us love and make us kind. Bring us peace in heart and mind. Take away all hate and fear. Fill our hearts with love so clear. Help us see you everywhere, in every soul, in every prayer. We are children, small and true. We come with love and call to you. Guide our path and lead the way. Keep us strong every day. All we ask with folded hands, give us hope across all lands. Let all hearts in joy remain. Fill this world with peace again. Oh dear Lord, you are one.